In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and color code labels on your board cards. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find your board, open a card, access its labels, and choose a color that helps you and your team spot what matters at a glance. Labels are a simple but powerful way to categorize work, set priorities, or mark statuses, and consistent color choices make your board easier to scan. Start by going to your board. Open your workspace the way you normally do and head to the area where your boards are listed. This is your project's home base, and it's where all the lists and cards live. Give the page a second to load, so everything is up to date before you make changes. Next, choose a board. Pick the specific board where you want to organize your tasks with labels. If you work in multiple spaces, double check you're in the right place, so your color choices match your team's conventions. If you're collaborating with others, make sure you have permission to edit cards on this board, since labels are attached to the card itself. Now, click on Cards. Open any card you want to label by selecting it from the list. A card is simply a container for a task or item of work, and opening it reveals details like descriptions, checklists, due dates, and of course, labels. If you're planning to apply the same label to multiple cards, you can repeat this process card by card to keep everything consistent. You will see a labels option here, just click on it. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a word like labels or as a small tag icon. When you open it, you'll see the available label options for this board. Labels help you categorize quickly, and they can make filtering and reporting much easier later on. And now you can choose a color. Pick the color that best represents the meaning you want, such as red for urgent, green for ready, or blue for information. Aim for high contrast colors that stand out against your card background, and try to keep your color meanings consistent across boards so your team doesn't have to relearn the legend each time. If your team already follows a color system, match it here for clarity. As soon as you select the color, it's applied to the card so you can see the change immediately. That's all it takes. Go to your board, choose the board you want, click on the card, open labels, and choose a color that communicates clearly. Keep your colors consistent, review them periodically as your workflow evolves, and you'll maintain a clean, readable board that keeps everyone aligned.